This Windermere Real Estate / Whatcom Incorporated property video is presented by Jim Fleischman. This beautifully maintained 4-bed, 2-bath home has an open floor plan with floor-to-ceiling windows that faces west. Sits right on the canal for you to enjoy the incredible sunsets of Sandy Point from your kitchen, living room or outdoor patio entertainment area. Bamboo flooring through entry, kitchen area with custom-designed countertops, stainless steel appliances. Has 2 master suites, jetted tub, radiant heat / flooring. Has a large 782 square feet 2-car garage, also beautiful views of Mount Baker to the east. Enjoy crabbing, clamming, fishing, and boating, tennis, golfing, all the Sandy Point amenities. For more information, review the details below or contact Jim Fleischman at 360-734-7500.